Hello students, today we are going to see the next concept, that is median of a triangle. So what is the median of a triangle? Look at this triangle ABC. Assume we have the point D such that BD is equals to DC. It means D is the midpoint of the segment BC. The segment BC is the side opposite to the vertex A. A segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side is called median. So segment AD is the median for the triangle ABC. Similarly, if E is the midpoint of the segment AC, then segment BE is another median of this triangle. Now we have to see if the median from the point C passes through this point. So if F is the midpoint of AB, the segment CF is the last median of this triangle. And we can see that it passes through that point. We can say that all the medians are concurrent. They meet at one single point. Let's say they meet at point G. And this point where all the medians of triangle meet is called centroid of all the centers of a triangle. For example, if you see, suppose you have a pencil on which you are supposed to balance a triangular shaped cardboard. You will observe there is exactly one point at which this will happen. There is only one point at which it will be balanced, and that point will be the centroid of that triangle. It will always be balanced at the centroid, and this point is also referred as center of gravity. Basically, all the mass of this object is concentrated at this one single point. What if we want to hold that piece of cardboard using a string such that it does not move or tilt in any direction again? That will happen just one single point, which is called a centroid. Now, does the centroid always lie inside the triangle? This will help you to understand that to change the shape and size of the triangle. Let us try moving the vertex A. As no matter where it moves, the centroid always lie inside the triangle. Even if we try moving vertex B, it will remain inside. And it is the same in case with the vertex C. Now, if we look at the previous example, if we want to balance a cardboard at a point which is centroid, of course, it cannot lie outside. It will always be inside the triangle.